Look at all that wax. Good gun. Where's my students when I need them? Oh, that's got to be cleaned off. Well, good morning from Little Creek Bee Ranch. We're doing a quick chore, so I want to show you kind of what we're doing before I set boxes out. There's some shallows that got to go out. The old frames coming back in from last year, they got a ton of wax on them. All that garbage on the bottom. You really do want to get it cleaned off. Some people don't bother to clean it. But we'll clean this off so it'll seat nicely down the box below them. So of course I've got one hand, but I would hold it. What you have is just like a 30-gallon bucket, I think, plastic barrel, and a 5-gallon bucket that's upside down. And if you look at the 5-gallon bucket, I'll move it over. See that ring in the middle? There's a ring right there. That will hold the top bar nicely so it doesn't pop and hop and jump around when I'm scraping. I'll just set that right down in there. So this goes right in there. Go so many places right there. And what we do is we want some of this wax back. This builds up quite nicely. We'll scrape right down there and scrape into the bucket. Getting old wax off is kind of messy, but if you look down in there, there's quite a bit built up. There's going to be a whole bunch more, and we'll process all that wax. Clean up frames. All this is going to be scraped off. And the bottom edges, all that scraped off. Not hard, just a little bit adds up because it's a whole lot on a lot of different frames. So we'll do that, and they'll look like, let's see, where's the one I just did. End up looking like this at the bottom. It's not perfect. You're just trying to knock the wax back, trying to get it cleaned up off the edge of the frames, so that when it sets down, it's not riding up because it's got a bunch of wax. You want it to set down nicely. So the bees will work hard to fill in all their gaps, and that's good. But we want this wax off. If you look at it, it's quite a bit. You know, worth doing because you're going to render it down and end up getting quite a bit of wax off of it. That needs to come off. And whatever's on the top bar, that little bit there, particularly across there, right? So removing wax, this is a job for the students, but I wanted to make a film of it. So yeah, get you a bucket, get you a 5-gallon bucket, get to scraping. There's a whole lot of wax down there. More coming at you right around the corner for the season. Get ready. Have an awesome day.